Hey everyone! Are you staring at your website analytics wondering why nobody's visiting? Trust me, we've all been there. Getting your website noticed can feel like you're shouting into a void, especially with a low domain rating or DR and hardly any backlinks. But here's the good news, you don't need a magic wand to boost your website's ranking. What you need is a solid SEO strategy. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the foundation of any successful SEO strategy: on-page optimization. This is where you make your website irresistible to search engines like Google. First up, we have title tags. These are like the chapter titles of your website, telling search engines and users what your page is all about. Make sure each page has a unique and descriptive title tag that includes your target keyword. Next, we have meta descriptions. Think of these as the compelling summaries that show up under your title tag in the search results. Write engaging meta descriptions that entice users to click through to your website. Include your target keyword naturally within the first 100 words of your content. Use internal linking to connect relevant pages within your website. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of your website content. In the world of SEO, content truly is king. But not just any content. We're talking about high-quality, relevant content that speaks directly to your target audience. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify the keywords your audience is using. Create comprehensive, informative, and engaging content that provides real value. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. If your business serves a local area, local SEO is your golden ticket to attracting customers in your vicinity. Start by claiming and optimizing your Google My Business, or GMB listing. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number, NAP, are consistent across your website, GMB listing, and any other online directories. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews on your GMB profile. Think of backlinks as votes of confidence from other websites. When a reputable website links to your content, it signals to search engines that your website is trustworthy and authoritative. One effective way to earn backlinks is by creating high-quality, shareable content. Reach out to other websites in your industry and explore guest posting opportunities. Engage in industry forums and online communities where you can share your expertise and link back to relevant content on your website. Did you know that website speed is a crucial ranking factor for search engines? In today's fast-paced digital world, nobody wants to wait for a slow website to load. Start by optimizing your images. Large image files can significantly slow down your website, so make sure they're properly sized and compressed. Consider using a content delivery network or CDN. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Improve your site's navigation by making sure it's clear and intuitive. While social media signals might not directly impact your search engine rankings, they can indirectly boost your SEO efforts. Share your website content on your social media platforms. Craft engaging captions that entice your followers to click through and read your articles. Network with influencers in your industry. So there you have it, a roadmap to boosting your website's ranking, even with a low DR and few backlinks. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, consistency, and patience to see those rankings climb. As you implement these strategies, you'll start to see your website rise through the ranks. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep at it. Your website's success is a journey, not a destination. Go out there and make your website a digital powerhouse.